Guys, what I missed. I got lost looking for my chapstick, but I found my way.
You missed nothing.
Ew, don't talk with your mouth full.
Let's just look around for something to do.
Yo, what's this?
Let me see. Let's go open it.
Zulu? That name sucks.
Alright, we need to pick our players.
It doesn't really matter, just pick it for us.
Are you gonna press play?
I don't think we should do it.
My Cheetos! Your Cheetos don't matter, we're stuck in the game.
I told you we shouldn't have pressed play.
Why are we fighting? We have to figure something out.
So what do we do now?
We walk.